everybody, welcome back to Crochet with Lulu. The and friends are inside so I can water the garden in peace, or will. They love to be right in the middle of this water. So usually when it's on like this, they're jumping, and Seven almost climbed the fence the other evening. So they love the water. 3 of them love the water. Just wanted to touch base and tell everybody to have a wonderful weekend. I don't really have any plans other than what you see me doing right now. We'll water the plants and try to keep them, because we still haven't had rain. I guess it's been over a week now since we've had rain. But I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. Just enjoy this beautiful weather. I hope it's beautiful and nice where you are. And leave me comments on what you're doing this weekend. Do you have plans? I have some projects in mind. Amy at Hooked on Wishing done a chicken, and I loved it, and it got me to thinking I would love to do some of those for gifts. Go to Amy's channel, Hooked on Wishing, and look in her description box for the channel to watch and look at Amy's beautiful chickens. But it is Fame Art, I believe is the channel name, and they work up so quick and so easy. You have no sewing. You have your beak and your comb that you add towards the end, and it's just so easy. So check Amy's channel out, Hooked on Wishing, and then check Fame Art's channel out. But I'm going to show you some more peace and tranquility of being outside with the nature. I have to come out here ever so often, and I'm enjoying watering the plants and just communing with nature. It's quieter back here in the backyard. You can hear the traffic, but it doesn't annoy you like being in the front. Being in the front, you're right front and center. You see it all, you hear it all. But being back here, it's so nice. I'm going to pause you and turn you around. I'm thinking even the birds are enjoying me coming out to water the plants. They just go from post to post here on this fencing that we have around the garden. Everyone have a wonderful weekend. Stay safe. And if you can at all possible, get out and enjoy some of this beautiful nature. This is my Zen moments. Just coming back here and just relaxing, and every once in a while you see baby bunnies. We have had wild turkeys, deer, ducks, baby ducks, rabbits. We have a couple of large groundhogs. And of course you will see your occasional possum, and you will smell the beautiful scent of skunks occasionally. But yes, it is just so nice. nice out here this afternoon. It is probably about 5:40-ish p.m. Central Time. But look at those clouds. Aren't they beautiful? An airplane going over. Love you all so very much, and thank you for watching.